Okay, this is for using a digital mixer and using OBS as a broadcaster. So you will be able to broadcast on YouTube. And the thing with this is with this way to install it, anything that's on your screen that comes from your computer won't disturb your broadcasting. So, well, the equipment I use is a digital mixer, of course, and also I have a CD mixer that I use so I can listen from speakers and also better sound quality. And then I have a USB sound card that I use. You don't need to have another mixer, but if you want sound from speakers, then you have to have it. Anyway, what you do, you have your digital mixer, and in the back of it you have three outputs at least. You have the microphone, the RCAs, and the USB cable. The RCAs I run through the CD mixer, and from the one with RCAs through the USB sound card and into the computer. Also, the digital mixer is already uh, in the computer with its own USB cable. So it's gonna be two USBs that you're gonna use. So see that you have two free USB ports behind your computer. Before you do anything, you need to download Soundflower and also install it. Otherwise, this won't work. Well, after installing it, I did like this. Using Rekordbox, so I went to Rekordbox here and into preferences and got this one up. So, and went into the sound, and here I can choose whatever, but if I chose anything else than the digital mixer, the headphones here won't work. So it needs to be on the digital mixer. That's it for that one. And then on the OBS, the broadcasting application, you will need to go, of course, into preferences and then into sound, and then you will take this one, microphone extra sound unit, and put the USB here. It's the RCA USB that comes from the digital mixer that I'm running through my CD mixer. Yeah, and the other ones can be disabled. Works for me. Then, when you've done that, you go into your sound card by going into Finder. Oops, wrong program. Going into Finder. And then you go to your applications, utilities, and then to sound and MIDI. Here. You press here and this one will appear. And because you have installed the Soundflower application, you're able to do this. Press this plus button here. What I did, I made two multi-channels and two unity channels, or what I could call them, I don't know. Anyway, this one, that's gonna be two in one. First one here is the USB that comes from the RCAs, and it needs to be with the Soundflower 64 channels, and just both will be jacked here, so they're on. Also this one I jacked. And then the second one here is the Soundflower second channel, or two channels. And here I have the digital mixer and the Soundflower with two channels. Also I marked here on speaker 3 and 4 zeros because I don't want any sound from them. We'll come to that in just a second. Then just check these so they're on, and these. And then you go into here. And this was, you need to press here. Both should be on here. And I chose like this: 1, 2, 5, and 6. Like that. And then use, and finished. Yes. And then I went, let's see here, there, nothing on these ones, nothing here. And this one, the digital mixer, needs to be on in. There is nothing to do. Out, you need to go here and do like this. You put your 1 and 2 on your surround speakers, and 3 and 4 on your front speakers. And this one, of course, you need to change from whatever you have it until to the quadraphonical. Yes. There. After that, you go into the sound card, the sound here, in this one, press this, and you're gonna have this one up. And here you don't need to do anything else than put in sound in DJR with your digital mixer, and sound out the same. And also you have the volume. I put them on max volume. So thing with this is you're gonna hear your friends through your headphones, and their voices and everything that comes from the computer you're gonna be able to hear in your headphones, but you're not gonna be able to control the sound, the volume with the mixer. You need to do it with your computer. Yes. And then it's just close up, and that's how I made it work. If you have any questions, just write. Otherwise, see you in my next mix.